What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today, I have a lot of great news I want to share with you guys. It's the holiday season. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday there. And yeah, like I said, I just want to talk to you guys about my YouTube channel, my website, and then also about free stuff from Native Instruments. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. And we're going to go ahead and get right into the video here. So as mentioned, the first thing I want to talk about is the YouTube channel and really how to take advantage of all these videos for free. So as you can see, you go to YouTube, you punch in my name, FizzENT, it pops up here. You just go over here, then comes to my page, and then you click playlist. And then from the playlist, you're going to see Maschine Studio tutorials. You just click that, bam, it's going to take you to my playlist here, and then you have all the Maschine videos right here lined up for you. There's over 77 and then it's counting. So all these tutorials right here, this is a lot to even build a course out of right here. So definitely check out that there. If you're not into watching tutorials and you just want to see me make beats, I have a playlist called Maschine Cookup Chronicles. So maybe you just want to see me just make beats and just kind of rock out on the machine. So definitely check out these videos here. Check out the links in the description below. It's really easy to subscribe. All you have to do is hit the links here. You can also drop a donation, or you can hit the share button, thanks button, like button. All that stuff really helps the channel. So I definitely really appreciate you guys for doing that there. Also, if you're interested in just seeing me like engineer stuff, talk about other stuff around the studio, I got a playlist called Studio Tech Talk, which I do like gear reviews on relevant products and stuff like that. So definitely check that out if you have the time to as well. The next thing I want to talk about here is going to be my website. So as you guys know, I have a website. I do mixing and mastering. So if you need some beats mixed or mastered, maybe an artist sent you a song with vocals and you're not sure how to mix and master, don't worry about that. I got you covered. Definitely hit me up either on Instagram or through my site, and I'll give you a quote on what it would cost and all that good stuff. Definitely check out the work here. You can also contact me down there. And then also on my website, I have my YouTube. And so everything's kind of linked together here. So you can see my machine tutorials. You can kind of cycle through right here, all the latest and greatest machine tutorials here. So another thing I want to talk about is my affiliates here, right? So as of right now, there's two main companies that I absolutely love their products, which is Native Instruments and then the Waves here. You can always click this button, visit now, and it's going to take you to this landing page here, which happens to be Cyber Season 2021. So you can save 50% on 250 plus products, updates, big savings on Complete 13. Click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to this website here. And then you can definitely just shop away. So guys, this is the time to really, dig into these sounds here. 50% off. So let's say, these were $49, so they're $24.50 for the expansions here. And you have other prices here. Some are cheaper than the others. $14.50 right here was regular $29, and the list just kind of goes on and on and on and on. So definitely want to check that out. This is the time to really stock up on those sounds that you may have put off to the side, in the beginning of the year. So definitely take advantage of this sale here. All right. So the last but not least, the last thing I want to talk about is how to access those free sounds from Native Instruments, right? So the way to access those free sounds is simply by going up to products here. And then you can just go over to the free section here. So just hit free, and then bam, you have all of this free content to get you started with Native Instruments. So you might be a beginner, you may be new, you may be seasoned, it doesn't matter. They're giving you some free sounds, some free plugins. Definitely take advantage of this stuff here. Some of it's a limited time, so you don't want to put this off. So you definitely want to go and pick up some of this free stuff that Native Instruments is offering, guys. So yeah, so that's all the great news that I wanted to share with you guys today. I've talked about my YouTube channel, Machine Playlist, the Cookup Chronicles, the Fizz website, affiliates from Waves and Native Instruments, and then lastly, the free stuff on Native Instruments. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Definitely go click those links in the description below. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. We out.